What's what is happening, everybody? This your boy Tyler. I know it's been a long time. I got some eggnog here, so don't judge me. But happy New Year, everyone! It's 2019, and we gotta thank God for that, you know. So yeah, it's been a while since I've been on here, so I just wanted to do a quick video and see how's everybody doing. Um, yeah. So what has been happening lately is that I was in a 2018 was a mess, and but I got over it, and now I'm starting over again. 2019. Um, Depression is real, man. I was going in back and forth, but now I'm out of it, and yeah. So this year, just trying to be healthier, and of course, uh, and the result of being depressed, I wrote a lot of songs. So y'all gonna hear my story, and I'm actually working on my first single. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of music here and there. Um, and but to want to tell you guys, thank you guys so much, and I apologize for almost all of my subscribers. I reached 10,000 subscribers, and that's crazy. So I think I would have had more if I was really more active on it. Honestly, it just haven't been really active the last year. So, but yeah, just want to send my love to everyone. Happy New Year's, and I can't wait for this New Year. So far, this New Year, it's starting off really good. So, all right, you guys, love you guys, and yeah, so there'll be more material coming up. I'm so excited for 2019, man. Shoot. So, hope everyone's doing bomb. Bye.